Hello friends, good morning. Today we will discuss on electronic configuration. Okay, so are you ready? Okay. Before starting electronic configuration, we will know about atomic number. Okay, without knowing atomic number, we can't solve electronic configuration. That's why I have written some atomic numbers like hydrogen to calcium. Okay, 20 elements. Here hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19 and calcium 20. You know about atomic number? Of course you know. Then we will also knowing subcell, because subcell is the main things for electronic configuration, because all electrons is found in subcell. Okay, that's why we will know about subcell. S subcell, P subcell, D subcell and F subcell. All the letters is small letter. Remember it. S subcell, it is contains maximum 2 electrons. Capacity of carrying electrons. S subcell containing maximum 2 electrons and minimum less than 2 electrons. P subcell containing 6 electrons and maximum 6 electrons and minimum more less than 6 electrons. D subcells, it contains maximum 10 electrons and minimum less than 10 electrons. And F subcell contains 14 electrons, maximum 14 electrons, and it maybe contains less than 14 electrons, but not contains for more than 14 electrons. Okay, just remember it. Then we will knowing about energy level. Without energy level, we don't know about putting of electrons where. Okay, so 1s 2s level. At first electrons goes to 1s or subcell, then 2s subcell, then 2p, then 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s and 5f, 6d, etc. Okay, this is clear. Okay, now starting electronic configuration. For examples, any elements you can take, like carbon. It is a very famous element, that's why I take it carbon. It contains atomic number. Atomic number of carbon is 6. We know. Okay, putting the electrons in their subcell and completed electronic configuration. Carbon 6. That's at first electrons will go 1s. Capacity of S subcell 2. That's why I will write here 2, 1s2, then 2s also 2, then 2p2, because carbon has 6 electrons, that's why writing here 2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 6. This subcell is called K cell. This subcell is called L cell. Okay, next. Any elements like phosphorus. Atomic number of phosphorus 15. Electronic configuration of phosphorus. Okay, right here P15. Now at first 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, because it having 15 elements, that's why we will write here 6, 3s2, 3p, 3, 2, 8 and 5. 8 plus 2 plus 5, 15. Okay, this is K cell, this is L cell, and this is a M cell. It is very easy. So then you can try it. It is very easy. Electronic configuration is very easy, but starting here, before starting electronic configuration, we should know about atomic number and subcell and energy level diagram, like above principle. It is essential for electronic configuration. Okay friends, thank you.